winch to the trailer so I don't have to risk my life to get locked.
On the way, set up. We got rope up to the log. We'll see how she goes. We'll see how she goes. All right. There's the line. Nice and tight. See what happens. This is attached to a trailer. New winch, first day.
Is it even moving?
We're still removing tension. That's all slack.
I don't know about this. It's kind of the wrong way here.
Do you have enough slack to move forward to level ground?
Oh yeah.
Well, then do it. That is a serious log at like 14 feet. Oh, fucking mosquitoes. Let it be known. I hate these things.
Is it moving?
Oh, we just got the tension out.
Okay.
Slack. Okay. Whoa. That's a lot of energy.
You think?
Yeah, I do. It's got to swing the ass end.
Is it even moving?
Oh, it moved. Yeah. It just, it moved itself to a spot that might need a little assistance. Lilith, move. Come on. I'll do what I can from up here. Tug it. Yep. Under a lot of pressure again. No, hold on. Yeah, it's bound up on that log right there. It's garbage now. It's garbage.
All right, this winch let us down already. It's all fucking jammed up.
You're supposed to pull it the other way.
I don't
No.
want to hit it too hard because I really don't want to get smashed in the back of the head. Aren't you glad you didn't put that cable on it?
It's fucking reefing on my truck, man. It's gonna break my truck is what's gonna happen. I don't like that, Mike.
Fuck off! Dumbass. Hey, we fixed it!
Kinda.
Does it work?
I doubt it.
We got it off the fucking side, but you got it back on the spool. Damn it! Well, I'm glad I didn't get it in the back of the head.
Yeah.
Because that would have sucked the dick.
Does it work? No, it does
I
not.
don't know. Hit it with a hammer and
Does
see what
not
happens.
work.
Put that back in there. And hit this up.
I'm trying to film here.
Okay, okay. Never satisfied until you are, it says. Here. Did I fix it?
I don't think so.
Come on.
No, I'm pretty sure it's fucked, Mike.
Good to go.
I guess that's why it's $80, because it's a piece of shit.
Yeah, it is.
Looks like you almost got it.
Almost, right?
Probably a spring or something in there. Huh?
It's a
Can you see
geared
in there?
tooth and a. No, we still gotta get it unspool some.
Fuck's sakes, what a mess.
Fuck it. I'll get back up and give her another cookie. Fuck. What happened?
It's fucked.
No, it just looks like it's more binding. Yeah, that's from fucking. That's just cable binding.
No, I mean, that's not supposed to be on an angle.
Yeah, probably not. It's free spooling. What?
Kind of, I guess.
Oh, we did such a number on that.
That's going back to the store.
Yeah.
Like
Hey,
it broke.
Hey,
Looks like you got it.
the free spool is definitely spooling. It looks like it's sitting proper, but
Yeah.
the gear mesh is fucked for sure, because that shouldn't freewheel now. This is back in place. Hook the fucking thing to it and see if it winds. Yeah, but we don't need to fucking hook it right up to the truck, do we? I guess we do, don't we?
Yeah, how else? It doesn't run on magic, Mike.
Oh, fuck. Come on, man.
I'm like 99% sure it's not gonna work.
Perfect! First time. Gotta fucking wreck the shit and fucking crap out of it.
Yeah, like what have I been here for? 3-4 hours? And the winch is already garbage? What's it doing?
This works. Let's spin this though. Held it down up in there and it fucking blew apart. Fuck it. That's exactly what happened.
Well, it definitely doesn't work for 2,000 pounds because that log is not 2,000 pounds.
No.